Hey YouTube, we're on a early morning Walmart run. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
So now we made it to Walmart, and we're about to get a couple things. So starting out, they got the pumpkins over here for $3.98. Nice size pumpkin for $3.98. We're about to get like 2 of these. Trying to find the good ones in the patch. Nothing too big, nothing too small. Alright, so after I put back one of those pumpkins or whatever, I ended up dropping a sign. So I gotta fix this and put this back up real quick and run away. I'm already embarrassed, so yeah. So right now it's about that time, you know, it's getting kind of chilly out here. You want to go ahead and stock up on maybe like you want a couple of your marshmallows and then hot chocolate. So right now I'm just get this real quick and then we about to go over there to the hot chocolate. Look what we found.
What the crap is that?
I seen this one before, but these two, they just pushing stuff out now.
What's this? What? Honestly. Cookie crisp oatmeal? Like, what y'all doing now? Y'all just making the most random things. I'll tell you, like, what the heck?
Which one would you eat? Out of all of them?
See, that's a hard choice right there.
Cocoa.
Oh, that's real gross. I would probably go with the cookie crisp though. I'm not gonna lie. Cause imagine Lucky Charms in your oatmeal.
I think the worst one would probably be the Cocoa Puff or the Trix.
That's what I'm saying. Like that chocolate, y'all, and oatmeal. Heck no.
Yeah, that'll make me instantly throw up. Like the instant oatmeal.
Like no.
We about to get one though. We'll get the Lucky Charms one.
No, that is.
Tell them what just happened.
We literally was trying to record because it was so funny just sitting on the show. But this dude, and he was like this, y'all. I can't. I'm sorry. Why was that funny? Anyways. Okay. Oh.
Okay, go ahead. Do what you do.
So it's a little.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
It's a literal thing of drinks sitting on the shelf. Walmart, what y'all doing?
Hey, that's the customers. They be, you know, eating and then put them over there. I cannot believe after I reviewed this, they came out with this. It's nasty.
What y'all doing?
Terrible products. Terrible. So after we got the hot chocolate, y'all, we went ahead and saw this. Y'all watching Alien Shark? Please, it's a Walmart exclusive. If you watched Alien Shark, please tell me in the comments, was it good or bad? Was it cash or trash? Like, what is going on? A Walmart exclusive Alien Shark. They had to add a bonus movie because this one was so bad. What's going on?
What?